So, a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. And here we have Real Madrid against Villarreal. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
We can have a look at them now. And that gets things running. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, a man with incredible energy levels, David Alaba. Always advancing, but he's diligent in his passing and crosses with care. He can also smack an effort at goal with that left foot. And he's very solid in his defensive work too. So yeah, have a look out for him.
Yeah, the scourge of so many strikers. Deftly done. Away from immediate danger. And the flag has stayed down. Spoon forward. Good challenge, he just stood firm. He's got away with one there.
Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
That's a throw. Who's going to make this theirs? Passes it through. Drilled in low. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. And that's a throw. Perez. That's not going to make it. He's off on a marauding run. He's missed another one.
Yeah, they should be out of sight, and they're not because of a little sloppiness in front of goal.
Villarreal get it back again. Boots it upfield. He's away! Good clearance now, can they make something of it? It's a carbon copy of their previous miss. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Gets it back. Clears it out of harm's way. Goes long and forward. Now the pass. Alaba tries to get it forward quickly. Looks like a good ball through. Lovely feet. Tries the route one option. How about it? Goal! Real Madrid! Madrid! And Real Madrid are ahead!
Oh, that was such a smart exchange of passes, and it took so many defenders out of play in one quick movement. Wonderful goal.
Real Madrid break the deadlock.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
And he's made certain that won't get through. Tries a through ball. Can he find a finish now? Turns and goes back. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Hits one! Ball's loose, who's getting there? Can he finish? Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Aimed long and direct. Looks to dink one in. Now it's Perez. Alaba. And back out it comes. Looks to slip it through. Can he put it away? Oh, great save, real class.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
It's come loose. Battles to win it back. Tries a through ball. Perez unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Pumps it upfield. And that'll be the last act of the first half. How would you review the first half?
Real Madrid deserve to be ahead and probably should be in front by more, considering the amount of chances they've managed. Everything points to more of the same second half and a good solid win.
Real Madrid go in at half-time with a slender one-goal lead. Real Madrid carry a one-goal lead into the second half. Knocks it towards the front. Passes it through. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. And he's on his way! Thrust towards the front line. That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Pumps it forwards. Hit long and direct. Tries to get it forward quickly. Real Madrid are still that goal to the good.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Perez. So they got the only goal to give them a 1-0 lead. Played out to the wing. Flags up.
He may have been caught offside, but that's his game. He plays on the shoulder of the last defender and hopes to time it right, Peter.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now the pass. And he's there to cut it out. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. impressions so far, Jim?
Well, this lead is beginning to look a little delicate. I'd rather see them show the ambition and adventure to go further ahead. But it seems as if they settle for a riskier approach now to defend this.
Oh, good interception. Looks like a good ball through. Gets it back.
This defence just doesn't trust itself to play a higher line.
Frightened of people getting in behind.
Yeah, absolutely. It just opens up the opportunity of not only strikers getting behind, but the runners from midfield too.
Oh, he's caught him there. It's a free kick. Perez. Good challenge. He just stood firm. The referee's awarded a free kick. And that's going to be a booking.
Well, that was coming, Peter. You know, he was on a final warning after all.
And that has put paid to that. He's made sure that that won't get through. All the way back, and they start again. Done very well to intervene. Well, the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. Charges in. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Not much. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Oh, that's a booking. Always looked it. Forward it goes. Oh, he's come flying in. Perez displaying his defensive capabilities there. That's no striker's tackle.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
Sticks in a foot to win it back. Villarreal with a corner and hardly any time left on the clock. Who's going to make this theirs? Real Madrid need to hold on for a few more moments. Aimed forward. Now it's Perez. Passes it through. Nicely measured pass. Well played, he saw that coming. Now the pass. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through, and that clean sheet, you know, key to the win.
Well, that's it from us. Thanks very much, Jim. It's a very good day to you from both of us.